outsource.net.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I've got another guide for Windows 11 here today. It's going to be quite handy for a lot of people. It's allowing you to change the pinned section on the start menu to show more pinned items, so you can add more programs and apps. It'll reduce the recommended section down quite a lot, so let's get started. So once you get the start menu open settings, go to personalization, then start. And here there's three new options. So if you want more programs and apps to reduce the recommended section, just go more pins. Default leaves it how it is, and more recommendations does the opposite. So you'll see more recommendations and less pins. You can also change the recently added apps. That's been there since the beginning, but it's up to you what you want to customize here. But otherwise, that there is the way to get more pins. There is one thing to mention. This is currently only available in the insider preview at the moment. So depending on when you watch this video, it will or won't be available. But it should roll out to the standard build within a couple of weeks. Usually doesn't take too long for features like this. So if it doesn't work for you now, just check back in a few weeks and it should be available. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.